Hi Sagittarius, how are you all? So today I'm going to do reading for Sagittarius. What's coming up there for October 2021? I'll be using my tarot cards over here. So let's see what is there for Sagittarius. Spirit angel, please guide me what's coming up there for Sagittarius. Spirit angel, please guide me what is coming up there for Sagittarius. What is coming up there for Sagittarius? Angel Spirit, please guide me relevantly. What's coming up there for Sagittarius? What's coming up there for Sagittarius? Take out this card, Eight of Swords. What is coming up there for Sagittarius? What is coming up there for Sagittarius? Two of Wands. Page of Pentacles, Three of Cups. So it looked like right now your person have kept you on hold. They are also in crossroad and even making you in crossroad. Okay, basically you guys are totally blindfolded right now with the Eight of Swords, and like maybe you are thinking right now they have met you, maybe okay, for recent, if you are dealing with a new person. So this person seems to be very confused and they can talk to their exes, or maybe there is some third party which they are making you like blindfolded and you don't know what is happening actually. So yes, you are still waiting for them. You know that yes, this is the person for me, and right now I can sense that this person is totally annoyed with you. Maybe you might have a fight, but you're still expecting from this person that they can turn around and come towards you. Yes, this person can come around with you because even they are waiting for your call and messages. You can deal with your Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for some. So this person right now, they are in a phase of enjoying a lot. They are in a phase of making lots of money. There is a third party involvement over here, which can be a male figure for some. For others, there are lots of third parties like money and a third party like a girl. It can be anything basically, but for some, I'm getting a vibes they are making money, and there is a third party of a friends over for some. For others, they want to enjoy their life right now. When this person will be coming towards you, they will be coming very slowly, Sagittarius. Let's check out more what is more there for you. So I'm not keeping well, so I decided finally to show my face to you all. So blessed be. Four of Pentacles. You are in their mind. This is a new person. You are in their mind. There is no ex. If this is an ex, they are also coming back, Sagittarius. So what is there for Sagittarius? Three of Pentacles. 333. So you can see lots of 3 number whenever you will be meeting this person, whenever you can have a union with this person. I am sensing for most of the Sagittarius over here have already met this person in the last year, and again you met on 9th of October. For some, recently you have met, and again you have like you both guys are separated. Okay, and over here is a big twist of third party, and see there are 3 cards, third party cards. So definitely Sagittarius, there is a third party involvement now. So there is some unfinished business which this person may finish with their exes, or I don't know who advices they are taking off. So what is there for Sagittarius? What is coming more there for Sagittarius in October? Spirit angel, please guide me relevantly. The Lovers. So this person will be coming back to you. You might have cut off with them, as I said before, because this person is waiting for you. Gemini. Okay, there's sun, moon, rising. This is a general reading. Take what resonates with you. So this person is waiting for you. You are waiting for them to come. Right now they are in a crossroads totally. They are in the influence of third party for many people. For others, I can say they just want to enjoy their life right now. They don't want to give commitment right now. Even if they are coming towards you, if they are not giving you commitment right now, you are on their mind. Okay, but this person will come up to you. They will make things better with you with Three of Pentacles. Okay, they will talk to you about relationship, having a love commitment, moreover relationship commitment. And yes, they will feel like yes, you are the one for them, Sagittarius. And you will be getting a random call, text, unexpected call again. This will again, you will be meeting this person very soon, I will say, in the month of November also. For most of you, if you haven't met this person in October, this person can be a soulmate and twin flame. For others, this is a God gifted connection. Okay, so you will be meeting this person in coming weeks. For most of you, I am sensing you have already met this person all sudden. For others, you can meet this person next month again, because there is a tower shed going on over here. Let the spiritual awakening be happen with you, Sagittarius. You are healing a lot right now. This person will be healing a lot. They will be have some realization that you are the one for them. And this is a new person, guys. And overall, if you're asking me for your career, I am sensing money is slowly coming towards you, and right now the time is not right regarding even a career. Slowly things will be coming up to you regarding money. I'm sensing a lots of partnership with your lover or a partner. And yes, if you are waiting for a phone call for a right opportunity over here, yes, it will be definitely coming to you very slowly. Okay, within this week, for some within a 2 days or 2 weeks, you will get some message. For others, 3 days, 3 months, or 3 weeks. This time will be very relevant for you guys. Okay, but this thing right now, I'm sensing you can have a big partnership with your partner, friends, or you would be having a dealing. Whenever your lover will be coming, they will be doing some dealing, because they are seeing some benefit in you, and that's why they are attracting towards you. Maybe universe is like sending you towards them, Sagittarius, because they feel attracted towards you and they don't know that you are only the one for them. And secondly, I'm sensing this person can also work with you even after some time. Whenever you meet, they will discuss some knowledgeable things, okay, regarding business or anything. There is nothing like typical talks like boys talks or girl talks. They will be discussing something very knowledgeable. Okay, and you are in their mind, guys. This person is not going anywhere. At the end, universe is bringing this person towards you, and they will come up towards you saying you again sorry. For some, yes, they will be not saying right now, but slowly they will open up as they have the realization, as they have the awakening. Okay, so this was my reading, Sagittarius. Hope my reading resonated with you. Let me know on comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit bell button icon. See you guys.